Cub Cadet SC100 won't start. It's only 2 years old. Rarely used, looks brand new. Starts for a few seconds with starter fluid I've taken apart and clean. Carburetor I've drained and replaced fuel.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. https://www.partstree.com/parts/Cub Cadet/mowers walk behind lawn mower /SC111 AA92J71011 AA92J709 Cub Cadet walk behind mower 2013/5x65 Rue carburetor / C-O, in the carburetor breakdown, did you remove it and clean the small holes in it? Do you have a full flow of fuel to the carburetor inlet?
I just took carburetor off and removed number 0. On visual inspection, part looked brand new and clear of all debris. I sprayed it with carburetor cleaner and put everything back together. Same results. Mower will briefly start with starter fluid. I know that I'm getting fuel to the bowl, but I don't know how to check if I'm getting fuel to the carburetor inlet. I can send picture of whatever needed.
Remove the fuel line, and remove the needle valve, and use carburetor cleaner to blow from the needle passage to the inlet hose connection.
I've completed all of this. On inspection of #P, there looked to be some blockage in small hole. I took a straightened staple and removed the blockage. After reassembling carburetor, the mower started and continued to run. It's back from the dead, however, it runs pretty rough, like the air/fuel mixture is off. I don't know how to make changes to this. I'm going to go run it for a while to see if it self-corrects. I'll let you know what happens.
Okay.
For some reason the choke flap won't open, so it run rough. When I use a screwdriver to push the rod that controls it back, the RPMs increase and it runs better. It sort of stays there and will run. Not as smoothly as it did in the past, but I can cut the yard. Any suggestions will be greatly appreciated. It starts consistently now, which does fix the initial problem.
It has a piece of linkage to the choke lever, from the temperature control. Sound like you may have bent the rod, or is in wrong hole. Check the linkage to the choke lever and adjust. Please rate to close the question and get me credit. Thanks.
I had the choke lever handle on the wrong side of the linkage, which wouldn't allow the lever to open up. It's back to normal now. Much obliged.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.